Hello, you're online at the Auto Catalyst Market channel. Today's review is another catalytic converter for Toyota vehicles with serial number GD3. Auto Catalyst Market. Sell and buy catalytic converter at real prices. GD3 is a ceramic monolith catalytic converter that is installed on the lower part of a vehicle with a petrol hybrid engine. This is a second-generation Toyota Prius hybrid from 2003 to 2009 and others. The GD3 catalytic converter is most often paired with the EA6 catalytic converter, and the catalytic converter itself is paired first from the engine. A lambda probe is located at the outlet of the catalytic converter. The core of the GD3 catalytic converter is a ceramic monolith weighing 500 grams. It is inside a chrome-containing, heat-resistant steel body. There is a layer of heat-resistant wool between the body and the monolith, which protects the metal catalytic converter body from overheating and also compensates for the heat and expansion of the monolith. If you are an experienced driver, you know that the parts in your vehicle do not last forever. The average service life of a catalytic converter is 120,000 kilometers. Once a used catalytic converter is removed from your vehicle, it must be recycled in order to make good money. You can find out the price of your catalytic converter from us at autocatalyst.com by entering its marking in the search bar. Specialized companies will also help you get a buyback price for your catalytic converter. They will also check the catalytic converter by its serial number, which is located on the metal body. Moreover, if the number is missing or damaged, a spectral analysis will be performed on site to determine how many precious metals remain in the monolith. When quoting your repurchase price for your catalytic converter, the company will take these details into account: the price of the precious metals platinum, palladium, and rhodium on the London Metal Exchange, the catalytic converter integrity and how undamaged it is, the type of fuel and year of manufacture of the part. The worse is the condition of the part, the lower will be the price. So the average price of a GDC ceramic catalytic converter will range from $780 to $870. All the information about the GD3 catalytic converter and its current price today can be found at autocatalyst.com. A web link to the catalytic converter can be found in the description of this video. At autocatalyst.com, you can also find a catalytic converter buyer in your area. It has a database of tens of thousands of catalytic converters and makes it easy to run your recycling business. We know all about catalytic converters. Leave questions in the comments. Like and subscribe to the Auto Catalyst Market YouTube channel. See you in the next videos.